Have you ever cracked your neck and wondered why it feels so good? Many people assume it's just a harmless way to relieve tension, but it might be riskier than it looks. So what's actually going on inside your neck? I'll explain, but if you want to avoid problems later, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. Here's the truth, that popping sound happens when gas bubbles are released in the joint fluid. However, forcing your neck too much can strain or even damage blood vessels, and in rare cases it could lead to serious issues like a clot. So how many times did I say neck?